So this is the weekly chart for Render. Basically, we're waiting here for a breakout to the upside above these last swing highs. $4.20 is the next resistance, and then $5.50. For now, we had a crash and a recovery, but we're not above those levels from where that sell-off on the 10th of October started. I'm not giving up fully here on a bullish scenario, but at the same time, there isn't really anything in the very short term that would be a strong signal we've bottomed. Looks a bit like the FET chart, I have to say, Fetch AI. But the chart hasn't done enough yet on the shorter time frame to signal that we are in a recovery phase. I mean, let's be honest, if that low from the 10th of October doesn't hold, then yeah, I mean, then there's no hope, let's say it like that, anymore for a recovery in this cycle. What we said in the last update is we're going to watch if the market can form the next 5-wave move up, because we saw some upside momentum. At the moment, yeah, this looks a bit more like a B-wave bounce, which could now form a C-wave decline, I have to say. Because we broke initial micro support, and for another... So basically, we had a recovery, pullback, maybe a 1-2 setup, but what is this? Clearly only 3 waves up from that low there in November. So, you know, it might be a B wave, and now we're coming down in a C wave. If that's the case, where should it go? Always the same. We take the length of the A wave with the Fib extension tool. We go to the high of the B wave. Need to adjust it slightly. And then, yeah, it's the 165 level, 100% extension. And, you know, it might do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 5 waves to the downside. Not convinced at all by the orange scenario in which a 5-wave move... in which we've bottomed already, basically, right? I'm not convinced because this is range-bound movement. We haven't broken above the high of the 10th of October. And again, only 3 waves. So unfortunately, not very convincing. That could still, I mean, there's still a chance, but we want to see a break above 335 next for further evidence that we've bottomed, that the more meaningful low has been established. And as we're heading into the new week, I think be ready, we might see another test of this larger support area, especially here, the area between 165 to 115.